Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 4.1. Find the value of x if there are two subdivisions. Let's take up the first one. They have told that the determinant value is 0. So first let's compute the determinant value, which means 2x plus 5 into 9 minus of 5x plus 2 into 3 is equal to 0. So let's multiply. So this is 18x plus 45. The minus sign is common for both terms. So for now, let's put it like this. So 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. So 18x plus 45 minus 15x minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is 3x. And this is going to be equal to plus 39 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to minus 39, which means x is equal to minus 13. So this is the value of the first case. Now let's look at the second case. Here they have told that the determinant's value is actually equal to 3. So let's compute 4 into x plus 2 minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 3. So in this case, 4x plus 8 minus 3x plus 15 is equal to 3. So let's remove the negative sign. So 4x plus 8 minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 3. So x minus 7 is equal to 3, which means the value of x is equal to 10. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.